Guys, check it out. They fixed the buck knife, in my opinion. It now has a deep carry clip. It is dramatically thinner, and it comes in MagnaCut with that awesome BOS heat treat. Buck, made in the USA. This is the 112 Slim Ranger Elite. And I know for a lot of people this is old news already, but I somehow made it to 2026 and did not know about this knife until recently. And man, I just wanted to tell people about this because I really, really like it. I think this is an excellent EDC. And I don't have a bunch of B-roll here cutting random things with the knife. If you're into that kind of thing, let me know if you want to see more of that. I'm just personally not. I just want to give you more my thoughts and opinions on how the knife feels, how it performs, how it looks, the quality of it, so that hopefully it'll help inform you if you're looking at possibly getting one. Now, first of all, like I mentioned, I love the timeless, iconic design. This is such an American icon, the Buck 112 and the 110, which I'll show you this here in a second. This is a real special knife of mine from the 60s. But for me, having these modern features now in this timeless looking knife with the brass bolsters, the ebony inlays, and getting the deep carry clip with MagnaCut steel and way thinner handle, this is an absolute win. So like I said, I have large size hands, and that is an easy four-fingered grip. And so for me, that's about what you want for an EDC, just like that. This is perfect EDC size, in my opinion. Obviously, you still got the lock back and the clip point blade. Excellent functional knife. I've been using this a lot, and I have not had to sharpen it at all yet. It's stayed razor sharp. Carries super well, nice and deep, and very light in the pocket. And this thing is just a champ. I want to give you a comparison as size to something a lot of people are familiar with. So this is a Spyderco Para 3. That gives you an idea of the size. And to me, this is one of the kings of EDC knives, one of my all-time Hall of Fame knives. And then here we have a Spyderco Para 2, and a lot of people are familiar with this one as well. The blade's a bit longer, but as you can see, there's not a whole lot of difference in the handle length. And to me, this is starting to get into the large section of carry EDC knives. I know that's just my opinion. Some may differ. But these two are really like perfect EDC size in my perspective. And this thing feels great in the hand. No hot spots really for me. I mean, obviously you've got the clip to deal with there, but feels nice, not too thin, very, very functional. Really like it. Now, let me show you my original 1968 110 right here, because like I said, this is the 112 Ranger, and this is the classic 110. My dad got this in 1968 when he was 10 years old. I just cleaned it up with some metal polish, and he gave it to me when I was 10, and I'm now in my 40s. So this thing is still beautiful. Buck 110V USA. It's got the finger grooves. This is the 110 Hunter, and here is the size comparison there. So the 110, quite a bit bigger. In my opinion, this was always, a pretty large and hefty knife. I always loved it, but I didn't like carrying around a knife in a belt clip or belt, holder like this. Just wasn't my thing. And also to put this in the pocket, let me show you the difference here. Look at the thickness there. Side by side, that's a massive difference in thickness. And so having this big chunky guy flopping around in my pocket, I never really enjoyed it. But this 112 is just the perfect size. Really like it. You can get the 110 slimmed down like this with all these same features as well. But for me, I like the Ranger. The 112 Ranger, in my opinion, is where it's at for EDC. And I would dress game with this as well. no problem. But I wanted to show you that comparison because this is pretty cool. This is just the OG classic icon, straight from '68. And this new style that Buck is putting out, in my opinion, rocks. For me, this is a home run. The style is just awesome. I cannot get over it. I know not everybody's into the old school, but for me, this just makes me think of my dad, makes me think of my grandpa. It's such an American icon, and I love carrying it. It's a joy to pull out and use, and I enjoy every time I see it. And for me, that matters. That counts. So it comes in this black box right here, and you just open it up, and you got a little case with a sleeve here and some information, and that's what you get with the knife. I highly recommend it. If you're wanting one, I think you should try it out. If you use my links, I would greatly appreciate it. It does help the channel out. I bought this knife with my own money, and I love it. I've been using it. I definitely recommend it. I would recommend it to others as well. So if you're into one, if you're looking for one, I think it's awesome. Check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Texas Gear Guy. Catch you in the next video.